No union is more profound than marriage, for it embodies the highest ideals of love, fidelity, devotion, sacrifice, and family. In forming a marital union, two people become something greater than they once were. As some of the petitioners in these cases demonstrate, marriage embodies a love that may endure even past death. Their plea is that they respect it so deeply that they seek to find its fulfillment for themselves. They ask for dignity in the eyes of the law. The Constitution grants them that right. Justice Anthony Kennedy, excerpt from Supreme Court decision on Obergefell v. Hodges, June 26, 2015.
I love you, Haley. You are my best friend. I take you to be my partner, loving what I know of you and trusting what I do not know yet. I eagerly anticipate the chance to grow together and fall in love a little more every day.
I love you, Grace. You are my best friend. I take you to be my partner with all of your faults and strengths as I offer myself to you with all of my faults and strengths. I will help you when you need help and turn to you when I need help.
I promise to be there when you need me, to fill your days of sunshine, to comfort you and encourage you, to help you reach your goals, and to love you all my life with all of my heart. Through our bond, we can accomplish more together than we could alone.
I promise to support and inspire you, to laugh with you, and to comfort you. I will listen to you with compassion and understanding and speak to you with encouragement. Because of you, I laugh, I smile, and I dream. Through our bond, we can accomplish more together than we could alone.
Now introduce you to Grace and Haley Collins, who will seal their union with a kiss.
I'm so excited to see where you guys go next and this next adventure. Thank you guys both for being so amazing and being so sweet all the time. We have too much fun together.
And show your love and support for these two absolutely phenomenal human beings. And for all of the gorgeous love and life and humor that they bring to our lives. I love you both. Enjoy the rest of your night and for all of the years that you're going to be together.
I can't wait to see you guys grow in the future. So yes. So everybody please raise your glasses. And cheers to Haley and Grace Collins.
To the kind-hearted Grace and her forever adventure partner.